This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Missy Johnson. This gorgeous fountain city charmer is in a small, quiet neighborhood and offers all brick exterior, an open floor plan, 4 bedrooms, or bonus room, 2.5 BTHs, and office on the main level. The primary bedroom is on the main as well and offers a spacious bathroom, double walk-in closets, and a wall safe. The kitchen has quartz, stainless appliances, and loads of cabinetry. Just off of the kitchen there is a very cozy den west/tongue and groove ceiling, stone flooring and lots of windows. Upstairs you have 3 bedrooms, or bonus, and a guest BTH, as well as ample attic storage. The newly fenced backyard has a screened porch with hot tub, as well as an inviting patio area, perfect for entertaining. There is also a 2-car garage west/storage and a level yard. Showings start 6/23 and continue through 6/27. For more information, review the details below or contact Missy Johnson at 865-584-4000.